Hello, students. Today we are going to see uh, this topic 2.15 scrolling the document. Okay, so in PageMaker there are two sets of scroll bars. So you all know what is this scroll bar at the left side corner. Sorry, at the right side corner and at the bottom of the screen, you can see a small bar uh, which is movable either top to bottom or left to right. Okay, so this small bar can be moved to view the entire document. Okay, so it can be moved by clicking and dragging so that you can view the entire document. Okay, so one for up and down movement and another is for left and right movement of the document. Okay, so uh, the PageMaker scroll bar work differently than those in the word processor. Note that there are set of uh, there are there are set to the center of each bar. Okay, so it is defaultly set to the center of the screen. Okay, also they scroll only the page you are currently on. Okay, so uh, it is used to move the current page only. Okay, so use the scroll bar on the right side to move up and down, and use the scroll bar at the bottom to move left and right. The scrolling procedure is as follows. To scroll left and right, mm, the left and the right arrow respectively should be clicked. So to scroll up and down, the up and down arrow respectively should be clicked. To scroll a relative distance in the document, the scroll bar should be drawn up or down. Okay, so you can use the scroll bar to move in any direction of the document. So next is zoom magnification, magnifying and reducing using zoom tool. So use the zoom tool to magnify or reduce the display of any area of your publication. You can also double click the zoom tool to jump to actual size, or press alt as you double click the tool to go to the fit in window view. Okay, so you can use any one of this uh, method to view the document in a clear way. Okay, so you can see there are actual size, and if you want to fit in window view, so these are all the different views of a document. Okay, so next is to magnify or reduce the zoom tool. Reduce with the zoom tool. Okay, select the zoom tool. Okay, so you can see that this is the zoom tool, the top sorry, bottom last corner. Okay, so this looks like a magnifying glass icon. You have to click it and select it. The pointer becomes the magnification glass with a plus sign in the center, indicates that the zoom tool will magnify your view of the image. Magnify means zoom in. The magnifying glass shows a minus sign in the center when it is reduction mode. Okay, zoom out mode. So to toggle between magnifying and reduction, plus control key. Okay, if you press control key, it will just zoom in or zoom out with the same selection. Okay, so this is the uh, way to zoom in or zoom out. Position the magnifying glass at the center of the area you want to magnify or reduce. and then click on zoom in or zoom out. Okay. Continue clicking until the publication is at the magnification level you want. When the publication has reached its maximum magnification or reduction level, the center of the magnification glass appears blank. Okay, so when it reaches the maximum level of magnification or zoom out position mode, then the then the magnification glass icon which is displayed at the pointer will not be having any plus sign or minus sign at the center of it. Okay, so that's what is given here. So to magnifying part of a page by dragging. Okay, so you can use a small part of, you can use this zoom tool to uh, magnifying a certain part of the document just by clicking and dragging and selecting some area. Okay, so first of all you have to select the zoom tool. Okay, you have to select the zoom tool and then click drag to draw a marquee around the area you want to magnify. So you have to select the area just by clicking and dragging with the zoom tool. Okay, so to zoom in or zoom out while using the another tool, you can use this option control plus space bar or control plus alt plus space bar. Okay, so zoom in means you can use control plus space bar, or zoom out means control alt space bar. Okay, so while using another tool such as a text tool or rectangle tool, so while using this kind of tool, if you want to zoom in, then you can use this shortcut key control space bar, control plus space bar, or control alt plus space bar to zoom out. Okay, so here they have given one example to show how uh, the zoom tool looks like. Okay, here at the center you can see that a small rounded icon is present, so that determines the zoom in tool. Okay, so next topic is formatting a document. Okay, formatting means you can process or of changing the general arrangement of text. Okay, that is improving the appearance of the text by using various font color and a font style. A font is a set of letters, numbers, or symbols in certain style. Each font uh, looks different from each other font. Okay, so you can see that you can change the appearance of a document just by formatting the document. You can select different types of font. The fonts are the special stylish appearance of the letters, numbers, or symbols. Okay, so each font is different from other kind of fonts. Okay, so formatting, the character formatting using character specification dialog box. Okay, so there is a small dialog box. Okay, when you select this text tool in the toolbox, then this will automatically appear, which is used to uh, change change the font size, font properties. Okay, so we'll see one by one. Character formatting means displaying text in certain way. So character formatting consists of text properties like bold, italics, underline, font type, font size, font color, etc. Refer figure 2.33, 2.44, and sorry, 34 and 35. So this is a character formatting using character specification dialog box, and you can see that this is a dialog box that consists of all the options for changing the font style. Okay, so font name, font size, leading, horizontal scale, color, tone, style. Okay, type style. Okay, so these are all the styles that are available, and you can see that the steps to apply it. Okay, so first of all you have to select the text to be formatted. Choose text character in the menu bar, or click Ctrl plus T in the keyboard. The the character specification dialog box will appear. Okay, so after selecting the text, you have to view the character specification dialog box, and after that you can see that you have to make the changes in the character specification dialog box. Click on this drop yes drop down menu. Okay, you can see that this is the drop down menu that is present here. Okay, so a font is a drop down list box that it contains all the text, all the font that are available in your system. Okay, here by default it is selected as Times New Roman, which is a standard style. Okay, so if you want change, you have to click on the small down facing arrow. So when you click on that, it will display all the font that is available in the uh, system. Okay, so you can also change the font size, font color, and you can change for bold, italics, underline of the text. Okay, by clicking on the certain options here. Okay, so here you can see that track type style is the it is an option, it is a checkbox. You can just click on that to apply that bold, italics, underline in the text. And also you can see that there is an option which is known as size. So that size is used to increase the size of the text. Okay, and you can also use the color. Okay, you can click on that color to change the color of the uh, text. By default it is given as black. Okay, and the size also by default you can see that the size of the text is 12. If you want, you can change it. Okay, so if you are typing uh, heading headings of headings of some paragraph, then you can increase the size for it. So that can be done by using this uh, character specification dialog box. So next is character formatting using the control palette. So there is when you select the text tool from the text box, you can see that there will be a small palette will be appearing like this. So this is the character palette, control palette. So this palette is a shortcut means of uh, doing the character formatting. When you type something, or when you select the text in the text block, then this will appear automatically at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so you can also do everything just by clicking here in the character control palette. So you can see that by default it will be appearing at the bottom of the screen. If you want to change the position, then you can click on this blue area at the left side of the palette, and you can just click and drag and move to anywhere in the screen. Okay, so it will also contain all the information or all the options that are available in the character palette, character specification dialog box. So that same dialog box options will be available in this palette also. Okay, so but uh, it doesn't occupies that much space that a character specific dialog box appears. Okay, so it is a very easy one. Just type the text and select it, and you can just click on this palettes to apply some options. Okay, so this is a very easy way of doing things here. So here they have done some options. Okay, so they have they have underlined the text Tamil Nadu, and they have made it as bold and changed the font size as 60 points, and they have changed the color, okay, to black. Okay, so here also you can see that laptop and palm top is the text that is in different color, blue color. Okay, and this can be done by using this option. Okay, and rechargeable batteries. Okay, so this text is somewhat like italics, slanting way of representing the text, so that is known as italics. So changing the text color. Okay, you can change the text color just by selecting text. You have to first select the text and choose the window show color menu bar. Okay, so you have to collect the view the colors that are available in PageMaker. So to view that, you have to select the window option. Okay, window option in the menu bar, and then you have to select the show color menu. Okay, so the color palette appears as shown in figure 2.36. Okay, so this is the color palette that is the you can see the colors that are available here. So in that you can select any one of the color to apply to the selected text. So here they have given one example. So computer classification is the text that is given in pink color. Okay, so if you want you can change. So and also you can see that laptop on palm tab and personal computers and mini computers are given in blue color. Okay, so this kind of changing the color can be done by using this option. Okay, so with this we'll finish the class today. We'll see the rest of the things in the next class. Thank you, students.